Now let's start with the definition for the parabola. Just look here what we are having. A parabola is the set of all points P in the plane that are equidistant from a fixed point F and a fixed line D directrix. I showed you an animation right in the beginning of the topic. You can watch that also once again. Okay. So now a 2D figure we are having. Just check it. Go through the definition and check this one. Just look here. A parabola is set of all the points P in the plane. Now all the points, I am just going to show you one more diagram. Here we are having only one single diagram. All the points P in the plane. Now this is a point P. Okay. This is a fixed point. This is called focus. Okay. F focus. This line is the fixed line. This is called directrix. Okay. Sorry. So from here to here, it doesn't seems to be equal, but it is equal. Remember this one, from here to here this is equal, from here to here this is equal. We are going to do some investigation also whether they are equal or not. Okay. So this, just go through the definition clearly. From a fixed point F, basically we are noting it not by F, we are noting with S. Okay. So from a fixed point S or F, whatever you are writing, any point lying on the parabola, any point means all these points will be covered. Okay. Every point will be equal. I am just going to show you. So a parabola is a set of all points P in the plane that are equidistant from a fixed point F, that is focus, and a directrix D. Just look here, next diagram. Look here how nice this diagram is. Now you can just check it. From a focus to this, suppose this is P, up to here, this distance will be equal. Here we have mentioned already, not P, we have mentioned L1. You can just check it. In the figure, L1 and this L1 both are equal. L2 and L2 are equal. L3 and L3 are equal. But if you are just looking very carefully, then also you can have a question. You can ask me, sir, this doesn't look equal. You can ask me, but we are having an investigation whether they are equal or not. Just check it. Now, check it this one. This is a focus, a point P, and this point on the directrix. Now from this point we have made a circle. Naturally from the center of the circle, radius will be equal. So this shows, this is the investigation, this shows that from a focus, any point on the parabola, the distance of a focus from any point of a parabola to from that particular point to the directrix, this is the directrix, it will always be equal. So this was about the definition for the parabola.